Hey everybody, I'm Renee, and we are um, Michael's Family Cruising, and I have bought a new camera today. It's a camcorder, so I am just trying it out. So today I am going to do a packing, the way I pack for my cruise, and yeah, so let's get started. Let me move this stuff around, and let's get situated. Alright, so that is my suitcase. This is my suitcase. I do have the hardback plastic, or whatever, the hard. So, in my suitcase, I also have this bag. It is my carry-on bag when I have to fly. And in it, right now, I have a pouch. I know the lighting is not good, y'all. And I don't know if I can, let me see. There we go. I've got one of these that my daughter-in-law and my son is going to use. I have this. This is another one. And I have several more in here. Another black one. And you cannot go wrong with having a bony. I've got two of those, plus we've got two more, I think. You can't go on a cruise without having a lanyard. So my lanyard has flamingos on it. Let's see if I can get it to... Well, I'm sorry guys, I'm still learning this. Okay. And then of course it's got this plastic shield on it. That's to put your selling sign card. I have one of these to put my phone in if I want to use my phone for a picture or videos or whatever. And I have one like that that's got my camera holding up this part right here. Let's see. Anything. This has got a deep pocket. This right here. This is my bag that will hold all of my equipment, my charging stuff. And this has this little bag right here has my selling sign cards that I've had for ever and a day. I've got my first one, 10/7 of 2019, Carnival Valor, and then Carnival Horizon. Okay. And then I have this compression cube, and in here holds everything I need for the hotel before the cruise. This is a compression cube. I love these things. I've seen them. I was watching a video on YouTube. I think it's Lori's Travel Tips. She's an airplane pilot's wife, and she recommends these, so I got these. This actually has my underwear. It has an outfit and pajamas for the next day. So yeah. So we got that in there. So put that on the bottom because it'll hold it up. And that's what it is in this bag. As of right now, like I'm not done packing. I've still got another 33 days before the cruise. So that's in this bag, and I have my passport as well in this zipper compartment. And this is still brand new. Haven't even got the tags off. It is a backpack, and it can be put on the suitcase as well. So Let's put this over here to the side. Now, this right here is my toiletry bag. Basically, right now, all I have in it, I've got some jewelry. That's what I get on the cruise. I've got deodorant. Ooh, that can come out of there because that's come all open. I'll have to clean this out before I do anything. But I've got some sinus medicine, some deodorant, some body wash, and my nasal stuff for my nose. So this I'm going to leave out because I'm going to have to clean it. Okay. Now, we got these little things to go for our towels on the Lido or on our Serenity deck. They're clips. You just clip them like that to the desk chair or to the chair. My daughter's is the flamingo, and she bought me the pineapples, and no, they will not be upside down, just so everybody knows. Okay, in this bag is another compression bag. I think it's this one. I have three dresses, and several pairs of underwear in this, I believe. Yes. 2 or 3 dresses and underwear in that one. This one has 3 shorts. You can't see it. 3 shorts and 3 tops. All 3 shorts will go with all 3 tops. So I have a total of maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably about 12 tops, 12 outfits in this one bag. And then, as you can see, let me see if you can see it or not. As you can see, I don't know if you can see or not, but I've still got plenty of room on this side for my shoes and stuff. Now, in this compartment, this little zipper, I have a set of pajamas, another set of pajamas here, and I have 2 bags for laundry because I will be doing laundry on my cruise ship. Now, in this compartment, I have a lot more stuff. Oh, that one has one of those has a bathing suit in it too. I've got sheen dresses. This is a sheen dress with a sweater. This is another sheen dress. And this is just another empty bag. Another sheen dress. And then I've got another formal outfit. I won't get that out in there. I've got a pair of water shoes for Grand Turk because they say that it is it's a lot of rocks in the on the beach. So I've got that. Let's put this back together. And then, no, this bag I think has another bathing suit maybe? Or way. This one has another bathing suit in it. And I can actually, if I wanted to, I could put that in my carry bag and take it into the room with me as well. And this one has all of my bathing suits in it as well. So that is pretty much my packing of some of the things that I am taking on this cruise. I am taking a little more just so I don't have to worry. And plus we're driving this time around. So yeah. So this is everything that I'm taking other than the necessities that I have to put in there the night before, like the toothbrush, the toothpaste, and stuff like that. And this will be my carry-on bag. This has got so many zippers, and it's got this big old pocket here. And it's got a pocket here, pocket here, pocket here. Hold my cup here. And then it's got a pocket here. And then let me just show you the inside of this. Just
We gotta start YouTubers! Oh my goodness! Can I get your autograph?
that is my son. He's been a dodo bird. So that is pretty much my packing for this cruise. So the cruise is in 33 days, and y'all cannot see me. I am still learning this video thing. So the cruise is in 33 days. We are going to Amber Cove, Grand Turk, and Puerto Rico, Amber Cove, and Grand Turk. That's the way it's gonna go. So yeah, I'm excited. My son and his wife is going, and she's pregnant. My daughter is going. This is actually my daughter's room, but she doesn't stay over here all the time, so I use it for my packing and stuff. Because as you can tell, it's pink and gold. But so yeah, that's pretty much my packing as of right now. I will put more in. I have a pair of shoes that I'm wanting to revent and fix. So let's see how this goes. Alright, bye guys. Well, baby, that's the one. No.